Hello guys, so for today's video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem your IHG points to book a hotel stay. Alright, so let's get into it. So first off, you need to know how much are IHG points worth. And I've been doing a lot of research. Some say they cost 0.65 cents each, or 0.7 cents per point, 0.7, 0.6, 0.8, but this one is 0.5. So let's just go with the conservative route, and let's just say an IHG point will cost, it's worth 0.5 cents per point. All right, it's a little bit important to know this number, and I will show you why in a second. All right, so now what you need to do is, let's go to ihg.com. So if you guys haven't created an account, you need to hit join and start creating an account. But since I already have my own account, I will log in and use my account with IHG. So right now I currently have 250,000 points, and if you are an IHG member and you use your points to book your hotel stays, whenever you book 4 days straight using your points, you get the 4th night for free. So that's pretty cool. Let's say I want to book a hotel stay somewhere in Vietnam for 4 days, so I can maximize the 4th night pre-perk. Since I'm an IHG member. So let's say I want to stay from March 4, so it needs to be 4 nights. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Checkout is on 8, so that's 4 nights. Then hit search. So going back, so this is Vietnam. So right now it's showing me hotels in Hanoi. You have 3 options, right? The Intercontinental Hanoi Westlake, the Hanoi Landmark 72, and Crown Plaza. So with this, right now it's showing the price in USD, but you wanna see how much it will cost per points. So this one, it says it's not available on our dates, but for this one, it's available, and there's a little bit of a discount too, which is really cool. So let's select this, select on that. Then if you scroll down, it'll tell you have a couple of options, right? So at the very top, it's the King Classic, 2 Twin Classic. So if you have if you're going with a friend or a family member, this can accommodate 3 people, which is good. So classic room, 3 people. So yeah, you have 3 options, and these 3 options you can book for 21,500 points per night. So let's just select this. Oh, this is also 3. Okay, that's interesting. It's a king. Anyhow, so going back, let's select this. Okay. So if you scroll down, it'll ask you how would you like to pay. You can put your credit card, but I want you to focus on this, guys. See what I told you, the 4th night is free. So here, it's not charging you for any points on the last date, which is March 7. Checking on at 8. So this is how much you pay per night. It really varies on the month and the week that you're staying. Because sometimes a hotel can get more expensive booking with points because maybe it's peak season or standard. But anyhow, so over here, it's the first day is 27,000, 29, 30. But so the average nightly rate is 21,500 points. So all in all, you only need 86,000 points to book this reservation. So now, remember that number, okay? 86,000. So let's just go back. So let's say we wanna pay it with cash, right? So this is the one that's available. So it's $161 per night. So it's the King Classic. Then so you have the option non-refundable or refundable. So let's just do non-refundable, for example. So let's just, because spread out some space. It's asking for an upgrade. We'll just skip it. But feel free to do it if you want to pay in cash. So right now, the total amount, if you want to do this in cash, is 747.46 cents. Okay, so let's do some math, guys. The formula to know how much the cents per point is the price per night of a hotel divided by the total points times 100 equals cents per point. So what is the price per night? It's this one. So 700 divided by the total points, 86,000 points times 100 equals 747 divided by 86,000 points times 100 equals, here, as you can see, it's 0.8 cents. So it's 8 cents per point. So based on the valuation, you know, being on a conservative valuation, if you're getting more than 5 cents per point, which we're getting at least 8 cents per point, this is a good redemption using your points. Typically, one way to know that you're getting a good redemption out of your points is to go to exotic destinations and book hotel stays over there. For example, in Bora Bora, the Maldives, and if you do that, you will easily hit more than 5 cents per point. So what I would recommend is just play around and play around with IHG and start plugging in your the destination and the dates, and start doing this calculation, and because practice is key. And once you do this a few times, you will get an idea. Oh, okay, so I'm getting a lot of value if I book at this place, at this hotel, that kind of thing. So hopefully you learned something today. And if you have any questions, feel free to put some comments down below on the video, and hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.